Hey, Hop Sauce here. Hope y'all doing well on this beautiful Monday morning. Actually, it's cloudy outside. It's a bit stormy and stuff like that. It's okay. It's all the perspective. It's all in the mind. Two major things going on here, ladies and gentlemen. Two forces right now. Okay, it's happening at the same time. Just now, I saw. Okay, institutional money's coming in to Bitcoin ETFs. We have to pay attention to the money. At the same time, this U.S. the regulatory structure, my video I did yesterday, there's 35 people who are major finance and crypto gurus, highest level CEOs in the world, are sitting at the table trying to get this done. What's that tell you? Check my video yesterday if you're interested in more details. You put these two things together here, the picture gets interesting. That's why I had to jump on today. So let's talk about the institutional side. So Bitcoin ETFs are seeing renewed net inflows, and it really does matter. Spot Bitcoin ETFs. I'm going to show you. Look at this article. Article is right here. This is coming out of BitGet. So all we need to do is look at the title of this thing. Let's scoot it over. Spot Bitcoin ETF inflows surge with 144.9 million as investors' confidence rebounds. That's where we're sitting right now. Recent data shows over 144 million in net inflows into spot ETFs, spot Bitcoin ETFs. This is the structured capital. This isn't the retail guy sitting here at home clicking buttons. Okay. Institutions are allocating funds through these regulated vehicles. That's what they do. So now, just know, okay, and this is a given statement that we know that this is how institutions move their capital. They don't throw things into areas that don't have compliance. It's regulated. Okay, that's what we've seen. This is where the billions of dollars are sitting. So they all prefer these ETFs that have these wrappers because of the custody issue, the reporting, regulatory clarity. It's all built in. Stuff's all transparent when the money comes into these ETFs. It has to be publicly disclosed. So this is where we talk about the second development, okay, that's coming in here. Check this one out. Hey, on a quick side note, last Thursday, I wanted to mention this. I saw a thing where Coinbase was halting transactions. It freaked me out. I thought it may have something to do with the Clarity Act. This wasn't a freeze. I just want to clarify this. It's a brief technical outage that temporarily prevented some users from buying or transferring crypto. Coinbase confirmed that the funds were safe and the issue was resolved. Okay? Period. I just want to put that out there. Moving on. Talking about this regulatory shift. Now let's talk about the structure. Garlinghouse has been appointed to the CFTC, the Innovation Advisory Committee. It's a federal committee that's been put together by the presidential office. I did a full video on it yesterday. If you want more details, check that out. So the CFTC oversees commodities. Clarity Act debates digital commodity definitions. They're defining the definitions of a digital commodity. So all the industry leaders are meeting. It's not a random thing going on here. This is real. This is rubber hits the road type stuff going on here. Okay. Where are we at? The ETF inflows show institutions want exposure. You have to. This new asset class, if you're a major financial institution, you have to put some percentage of your exposure into cryptocurrency. The safest way to go right now as we speak is through these ETFs. I did purchase, full transparency, 2 different ETFs. First time I've ever wandered off out of self-custody in the crypto markets, but I want to see how it moves relative to Bitcoin price. So if the digital asset definitions become clearer under the Clarity Act. If beneficial ownership thresholds get defined, if assets like XRP are clearly categorized, it's still not XRP people, XRP army. It's still kind of the Wild West dealing with altcoins, including XRP, just to let you know. Institutions, their risk on and risk off models are adjusting. We're seeing it right now. The money's moving. Go. Just know that people, this doesn't, look, I'm not talking about, no, we're not guaranteeing price movement. This doesn't always directly equate to price movement. There's a lot of other factors that are involved in that discussion, but it does change the framework. It changes the framework that we like to see. So that's my message today. I just want to let you guys know markets don't reciprocate because of some kind of emotion. Okay, as human beings, there's psychology in the market and stuff like that, but we look at technicals and we look at the facts where the money moves. These are not emotions. It's actual things that's happening. So right now, we're seeing both the clarity and the inflows. So my conclusion today, watch those ETF inflows, people. You can see them on headlines. CoinMarketCap shows them. There's a lot of different places. Coinbase can show you these inflows. It's the volume coming into the ETFs. Watch for regulatory definitions. That's where the real shift is happening. I'm staying focused on these stories here. I'm going to go on and keep reading this thing. If anything else comes up, we'll let you know, people. I'm going to show you the chart. Let's look at the chart. Okay, right here, over on this side, this is the flag pattern that I was talking about. We have a strong flagpole with a downward flag-looking pattern that tested and bumped off of this trend line. This is the reversal. Okay, now I thought we were going to head up to this next support, but it came up a little short. This is the Bitcoin chart. Today's candle is currently red. Let's look at XRP. It's crazy how it has such a similar thing going on here. Flagpole, downward flag pattern. Crack this resistance level, huge green candle. This is where it was yesterday. I was sitting here going, what is going on? I was getting so stoked. See this wick on this? This is like the 200-day moving average. It started to breach it right here. Got up to about, what is that price? 167, and then boom, straight back down. Okay, to this closer to the support. But look at this little green candle that we're dealing with today right here. So we have these turnarounds, 5-day moving average turnaround. This is the Bollinger Band coming back. This is the volatility slowing down a little bit, but we got to pay attention. One day at a time. Wanted to show you that right there. I will put up my yesterday's video up on the screen on somewhere on up top right here. I'll put it up so you want to take a look at it. More details on this committee that's making decisions on the Clarity Act. Like always, a pleasure. Appreciate you guys checking in. Hop Sauce signing off. Have a good week, everybody. Have a good week. And just pay attention to headlines on these two things right here. All right. Peace out. Peace out.